Hello, how is everybody? My name is Ipsa. Today I'm taking a topic maths, equations in one and two variables, some word problems, and a specific type of word problem where the typical questions are a two-digit number, the digits are reversed, and this happens and that happens. It becomes 5/6. It becomes less than 20. It's something to do with two digits and the reversal of digits, or the digit is reduced by 5. Something like that happens. So those type of questions we're trying to handle. As I've told you earlier, also in part one of this topic, it's always much easier to do with two variables. The same question can be done with one variable also, and it can be done with two variables also. I'll do both the ways. It's always easier to do with two variables. So let's start with the easier way. First, let's understand the concept of a two-digit number. आपने टू डिजिट होगा तो आपको पता है कि ये एक यूनिट स्पेस होगी, एक टेंस प्लेस होगी. दिस इज हाउ यू विल डिनोट अ नंबर. यूनिट्स प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस. जो यूनिट्स प्लेस होगी वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ नंबर रखोगे आप. 0, 1, 2, 3 कुछ तो नंबर रखोगे ना, कोई डिजिट रखोगे ना. Similarly here also you will put some digit, but you can't put a 0 here. Remember, 0 अगर रख दोगे तो ये one digit number बन जाएगा. So here the digit that you can put is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's what I've written. X, if this is X, the units place can take values from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and the tens Y, this place can take the value of 1 onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Clear? Units place, tens place. This can take from 0 to 9. This can take from 1 to 9. But these are still digits. X is a digit. Y is a digit. Now, if I ask you, let me take an example. So, this is the number I have, and I have this. What is my units digit? Units digit is 2, and tens digit is 5. So what is the number? Now here, this is the important thing. What is the number? How do you calculate the number? Can I say the number is xy? Xy means what? Xy would mean x into y, which would mean 2 into 5, which would mean that the number is 10. Here, just understand carefully. If we write that the number is xy or yx, that would mean that it's y into x, which means 2 into 5, which is 10. But the number doesn't look like 10. Is it 10? No. And how do you find? So this is not correct, and this is what everybody tends to do, and that's where everybody goes wrong. Okay. So how do you find the number where the digits also remain this and this, and the number also comes 52? So how do you find the number is like this. See. So for the number, what you have to do, you have to multiply 10 by the tens place and 1 by the units place. 10y plus x. So the number is always 10y plus x. So let's try. What is 10y? 10y is 5 and plus 2. So here we get the number value exactly as 52. Now see, what is the number value? 52, or the number itself is 52. Units digit is 2. Tens digit is 5. The digits add up to 7. digits, when you add up the digits, they add up to 7. If you find the difference of the digits, it's 5 minus 2, 3. If you find the product of digits, it's 5 into 2, 10. So there are a lot of terms. These are individual digits, and this is the value of the number when the digits are put like this. Hope this is clear. Just go through this small section 2 times and then you will understand what all it means. It has basically done, you all have done it in class 6, 5 I think, but you tend to, everybody tends to forget because they look too simple that time and then we forget it. Like if I take example of my 532, तो इसका एक्सपेंशन हम क्लास 4-5 में क्या लिखते थे? 5000 प्लस 500 प्लस 30 प्लस 2 ऐसे करते थे ना. तो अब हम ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर सकते कि 32 का एक्सपेंशन 30 प्लस 2? वही तो करना है. यू हैव टू राइट इट इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म 30 प्लस 2. Okay, now quickly we'll start with the specific question so that we understand how to. Okay, so the question that we have taken is a 2-digit number. It is multiplied by 9. Okay, fine, good. It becomes, let's do this much only. Let's see what tables do we have to make in such type of questions. First thing you have to make in such type of question is a box with x and y. Okay, then the second thing we have to write the value of number. Without even reading, you can just write these, and then we have to write the 2 equations. That's all we need to do. Here also this is old number and this is new number. Okay, here also you'll have something, a 2-digit, and you'll have value of number. This you can write without even, just by knowing that what it is, a 2-digit number type of question. Now let's read it. 2-digit number, we don't know the 2 digits, so let's assume as them as x and y. Now x and y पता चल गया तो हमें value of number भी तो पता चल गया. Like before, the number will be, the value of the number will be 10y plus x. Okay, it is multiplied by 9. We have used 2-digit. Now it is multiplied by 9. So let's multiply this number by 9. So we get 9, 10y by x. Okay, we multiplied by 9. It becomes equal to, so let's write equal to. It becomes equal to what? Equals to twice the number. Okay, it becomes equal to twice of something. What? Obtained by reversing the digits. Oh, so twice of obtained by reversing the digits. Let's start from here. They reverse the digits, मतलब y यहाँ आ गया, x यहाँ आ गया. They have interchanged their positions. Once they interchange the positions, what is the value of number? The number of becomes this. So this 9 times this old number has become equal to 2 times the new number. That's all is given. So this forms one equation. You can simplify and have an equation in 2 variables. Okay. Now, but there are 2 variables, so you need 2 equations. Where is the second equation? What have we not used? Reversing use कर लिया है हमने, twice use कर लिया है, equal use कर लिया है. क्या बच गया? 7. Sum of digits is 7. So the second, this is the first equation that we get, and the second equation we get is the sum of digits. Digits क्या थी? X थी और Y थी. The sum of digits is 7. So this is the second equation that you get. Now if you have these 2 equations, I'm stopping here because I assume you know how to solve two variable equations. My purpose of this video is only to explain you how to form these equations, okay, because that's where most of the mistakes happen. Hope this is clear. Now I'm taking the same question but with one variable. Okay, we will not use x and y, we will use only x. You got this, you had this equation, you got this equation. Now you will just solve them by either elimination method or by substitution method or cross multiplication method, however you feel like. Okay, now we'll do the same question with one variable. There's a difference in which we proceed for one variable and two variables. Basic concept remains same, but still. Again, the old number and the new number. We'll make this 2-digit box. We make this 2-digit box. Okay. Now remember, we are doing one variable. हमें y नहीं लेना है, हमें सिर्फ x लेना है. तो चलो x तो ले लो, कम से कम x ले लिया. ना यहाँ क्या लिखूँ, y तो ले नहीं सकती हूँ. What should I write here? I need something there. Now look at this. The sum of digits is 7. ये और ये मिला के 7 है. By chance अगर ये 2 होगी तो ये कितनी होगी? 5. अगर ये 3 होगी तो ये कितनी होगी? 4. That means if this is x, this will be 7 minus x. Is this clear? So whenever they say the sum of digits is this, so one of them you take as x and one of them will become like 7 minus x. Now on reversing the digits, what will happen? This will become 7 minus x and this will become x. Now again, without even reading the question, we'll find the value of number. What is the value of number here? It's 10. 7 minus x plus x. Let's solve it further. 70 minus 10x plus x to 70 minus 9x. So this is the value of the old number. Right? Similarly, we find value of number here. It will be 10x plus 7 minus x, which will be 5. We just use this method. Now we'll see when the old number is multiplied by 9. Let's multiply the old number by 9. So 9. We've multiplied the old number by 9. It becomes equal to. It becomes equal to twice something. So twice of what? Twice of the number obtained by reversal. This is the number obtained by reversal. So twice of 9x plus 7. So this gives you one equation. But now do we need another equation? No, we don't need the other equation because we have only one variable. सिर्फ x ही है. आप इसको open करोगे, खोलोगे, you'll get the value of x. You'll get the value of x and then you'll get the value of 7 minus x and you will get the value of the number. I hope if you try nicely, 2-3 questions are based on this topic, you will be able to do it. All the best.